Before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more upgrade tutorials. Today I'll walk you through upgrading from a slow HDD to a fast SSD, along with an easy way to migrate your data so your system feels brand new. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to an SSD by cloning your HDD and swapping the drive. First, let's make sure you have the right kind of SSD. Most laptops and desktops use either a 2.5-inch SATA SSD or an M.2 NVMe SSD. Check your device's specifications or look up your exact model online to confirm which type fits. A quick visual check can help too. If your system currently has a 2.5-inch hard drive with a cable, you likely need a 2.5-inch SATA SSD. If it has a slim, stick-shaped drive on the motherboard, that's usually M.2. Also confirm the SSD has enough capacity to hold your existing data. If your old drive is half full, you're generally fine with an SSD that matches or exceeds the used space. Before installing, you'll need a way to connect the new SSD to your computer externally. For a 2.5-inch SATA SSD, use a SATA to USB cable. For an M.2 NVMe SSD, use an NVMe USB enclosure. This lets you plug the new drive in so you can clone your data first. Keep your computer on reliable power during this process to avoid interruptions. Next, download a cloning tool. Macrium Reflect, Samsung Data Migration, and Acronis are popular options that copy your old hard drive to the SSD so your system boots exactly the same, only faster. Install your chosen software, connect the SSD with the cable or enclosure, and launch the tool. In the software, select your old hard drive as the source and your new SSD as the destination. Double-check you've got that direction right, since the destination will be overwritten. Start the cloning process and let it run. The time will depend on how much data you're moving. Avoid using the computer heavily while it clones. When the clone completes, shut down the computer fully. Now it's time to swap the drives. On a laptop, remove the back panel carefully and locate the drive bay or M.2 slot. On a desktop, open the side panel and find the hard drive cage or the M.2 slot on the motherboard. Remove the old hard drive and install the SSD in its place, securing it with the existing screws or bracket and making sure the connections are snug. Close the case or panel. Power on your computer. If everything went well, it should boot straight into Windows just like before, but much faster. You'll notice quicker app launches, snappier responsiveness, and a dramatically shorter startup time. Finally, you can repurpose your old hard drive as extra storage by placing it into the same external enclosure you used earlier, giving you a handy portable drive for backups or files. If this helped you upgrade your PC, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants a faster computer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.